Hello friends, greeting of the day. Today we will discuss entrepreneurship. What it is, what are its type, who become entrepreneur, and can I be entrepreneur? Does I carry the value of entrepreneur? So watch till end and in last count your score to know answer of this question. Entrepreneurship. Individual who start with an innovative idea to earn respect, money, social branding or standing and start from the scratch despite the risk of losing money, time and mental peace and do it with patience. Don't have any business background or if it is already in business then does the things in a new way with different strategy in term of product pricing, innovation, customer need or desire agara vagara. We can get a knowledge from the internet or books but not in an organized way. So structural approach is more important for each learning. It is very important to evaluate our past for the future learning of our life. So entrepreneurship area are business, environment, social and religious. Business entrepreneurship, it is related to industry, research, education, agara vagara. Establishment like Microsoft is an best example of business entrepreneurship. Environment entrepreneurship, it is related to green revolution, recycling of waste, agara vagara. E-Rocket, a motorcycle manufacturing company whose motorcycle run on electric power, which is synchronized with human activity. So it is an interface of human and the motorcycling and machine. It accelerates with paddling. More fast you paddle, more it will accelerate. Social entrepreneurship, social movement which return to the society, whether it is non-profitable or profitable. Examples are I Smile Foundation and Gunj, which performed disaster relief, humanitarian aid and community development programs in 23 states of India. Religious entrepreneurship, people who influence the group of people, guide them, teach them for religious and spiritual path, agara vagara. Example are religious blogger who had good writing skill and religious interest, start a blog on the internet and discuss these topics related to the religion and about his belief. Religious tutor, these religious tutor help other people strengthen their religious faith by providing one-on-one tutoring or group of people on religious subjects. Religious accessory makers, these are handmade items business professional who sell their items online or build a community of consumers. Best example which fit in all these criteria is the Baba Ramdev, who came and योगा करते करते सबकी हवा निकाल दी और बाजार में छा गए. अपनी कला और कौशल से बिजनेस पेन की मोनोपोली को भी पटकनी दे दी.
और देखिए बाबा रामदेव क्या कला दिखा रहे हैं, कितने झुके हुए हैं. ओहो, या ने पटकनी दे दी, या तो बाबा ने जबरदस्त कला दिखाई है.
Why people become an entrepreneur? It is very important that who become entrepreneur. Factors like human behavior which play a major role in becoming an entrepreneur. Like I cannot have a boss, I am boss. इसको बोलते हैं superiority competency, that my talent is superior. Easily bored. Like today's people changes frequent TV channels because they don't want to waste time or too impatient. क्रम प्रधान नेचर, एक काम खत्म किया नेक्स्ट, अब तुरंत नेक्स्ट. Too impatient, cannot adjust, cannot adapt or even not flexible, lose temper easily are the example of this. Criminal streak, dominating behavior, don't think too much, as business is more of execution rather than thinking and planning. Carry this belief, somewhat they are true because business is more of execution rather than planning and thinking. Want freedom, require its own schedule, own way of working, own way of living and habits. Addictive to risk, passionate to have challenges, tactical thoughts rather than strategical thoughts. छोटा कर बड़ा अपने आप हो जाएगा. Or we can say set a goal and go. Too ambitious, dream too big. बस करना है तो करना है. Now second factor is money, nothing to lose. A little to lose. Don't have any money, nothing to lose. Don't have enough money that I can lose. A little to lose the money. Beg, borrow and start the business. क्या है मेरे पास जो कोई ले लेगा, बस करना है तो करना है. Resourceful, have enough resources like land, money, family support, running business income coupled with its capability make him successful to earn money. Or a successful entrepreneur. Desire, passionate to have new things. I have today a small house, I want a big house. These are the desires a person follow to earn. But my suggestion is always remember, make a difference, money will follow. My another factor is skill, too creative, hand and engineered mind. Just like when you watch a kid making a toy car with wires in their childhood, you will immediately click in your mind that he will be engineer as he has a technical mind. Can sell ice to Eskimo, too much creative, too much selfish, too much smart, and smartly convince people for benefits of a product or service. Unsatisfied, I am not using my skill, frustration also play a big role in making entrepreneur.
मैं यहाँ पर संविधान की अच्छाइयां गिनाने नहीं जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि संविधान कितना भी अच्छा क्यों ना हो, वो अंततः बुरा साबित होगा अगर उसे इस्तेमाल में लाने वाले लोग बुरे होंगे। और संविधान कितना भी बुरा क्यों ना हो, वो अंततः अच्छा साबित होगा अगर उसे इस्तेमाल में लाने वाले लोग अच्छे होंगे।
एजुकेशन नेक्स्ट इज द एजुकेशन लेस एजुकेटेड पीपल। ये सच है कि कम पढ़े लिखा रिस्क जल्दी ले लेता है। इफ दे स्पेंड सम टाइम इन लर्निंग थ्रू डूइंग थिंग्स एंड बिकम मोर अडेप्टिव टू रिस्क एंड implementing things. Also, inferiority complex challenge them to do more. Highly educated learn through education and improve their analytical skill and mental skill through experience. Such an extent they develop qualities of an entrepreneur with their strategic thoughts. Education learning with time. Keep on learning with time from their past mistake and analyze them, improve them for the future action. Use the formula experience, analyze, improvement and act in modern day called PDCA cycle. नेक्स्ट इज सर्कमस्टेंसेस। हालात ऐसे पैदा होगी क्या किया जाए। कैन नॉट सस्टेन ए जॉब, नो चॉइस बट टू बी ए बिजनेसमैन। गॉन थ्रू द स्कूल ऑफ हार्ड नॉक्स। बहुत सीखा है, बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत जूते घसाए हैं, बहुत डांट सुनी है। नाउ आई लर्न ए लॉट, नाउ आई वांट टू यूज माई स्किल। नाउ द सर्कमस्टेंसेस इज दैट I have all knowledge to be a successful entrepreneur. Calculate your entrepreneur score. How to calculate? For example, in the tab gone through the school of hard knock is a value of a person that a carry. The number front of it is written is the weightage number. As in this tab it is 3. Pick this number. Likely pick all the number if you think that this value I carry in myself. Here it is 3, so your score is 3. So follow this step 1. Check your characteristic value for human, money, skill, education and for the circumstances. Step 2. Write your score for each trade and grand total them. If total sum of all count is above 22, you will be a entrepreneur in near future. Congratulations. इसे आजमाइएगा जरूर. So keep watching my next video to know more about how to do startup and how to make it a successful. Please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. आगे मिलेंगे next video में. Thanks.